Picture this. You walk into work one morning, and your new coworker is 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighs 99 pounds, and never needs a coffee break. Meet Digit, the humanoid robot that's already working full shifts at major warehouses across America. But this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. In June 2024, history was made when these robots started their first official jobs at a Spanx facility in Georgia. So, should you be worried about your job? Let's take a closer look. For years, we've heard warnings about robots taking our jobs, but most industrial robots look nothing like humans. They're specialized machines designed for specific tasks. What makes Digit different is that it's designed to work in our world, alongside us. And that changes everything. Let's get to know our new mechanical coworker. Digit comes from Agility Robotics, a company that spun off from Oregon State University. Think of it as the perfect warehouse worker. It can carry up to 35 pounds, reach from floor level to 5 feet 6 inches high, navigate tight spaces and stairs, and work continuously without breaks. But what's really impressive is how it moves. At just 1.7 feet wide, Digit can squeeze through the same space as humans do, walk at speeds up to 4.9 feet per second, and its battery lasts an entire shift. It's like having a tireless assistant who never complains about overtime. Watch how it handles totes and boxes. Those arms aren't just for show. They come with force feedback, meaning Digit can feel what it's touching, just like we do. It can even respond to voice commands, making it more coworker than tool. Right now, at a Spanx warehouse, Digit is making history. It's part of the first ever commercial deployment of humanoid robots in an industrial setting. But here's what's really interesting. It's not replacing workers, it's filling gaps. Did you know there are about 1.1 million unfilled warehouse jobs in the US? These aren't cushy office jobs. We're talking about repetitive, physically demanding work that often leads to injury. Digit is stepping in to handle these tasks, literally taking the heavy lifting off human workers' shoulders. But here's where it gets really interesting. Digit isn't just a fancy forklift. It's part of something called Industry 5.0, where humans and robots work together. While Digit handles the grunt work, human workers are being upskilled to manage and oversee these robotic operations. Remember when self-driving cars seemed like science fiction? Well, humanoid robots are following the same path, but faster. Agility Robotics has already opened RoboFab, their first humanoid robot factory in Salem, Oregon. They've raised nearly $180 million in funding, and giants like Amazon are already on board. But Digit is just the beginning. The next wave of robots will feature advanced AI for better decision-making, soft robotics for more delicate tasks, swarm capabilities for complex operations, AR integration for easier human interaction. So, will robots take our jobs? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. What we're seeing is the beginning of a transformation. Just as the Industrial Revolution changed how we work, robots like Digit are ushering in a new era, one where humans and machines work together, each doing what they do best. The real question isn't whether robots will take our jobs, but how we can prepare for a future where our co-workers might be made of metal and circuits. And that future, it's already here.